Today we're going to replace the motor sleeve on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. Remove the 2 screws from either side of the cap. Remove the 4 shoulder screws using the provided Allen key. You can now remove the cap. Unplug the fan motor wires, spark wire and the insulator. Then remove the cylinder head by twisting. Disconnect the retaining ring. Using an Allen key, loosen the grub screw. You can now simply slide off the fan. Remove the motor. You can now access the motor sleeve. Using a tool, pick out the motor sleeve. Clean the old motor sleeve or replace if worn. Place back into position until flush. You might want to use a flat-headed screwdriver to adjust. Put the motor back into place. Secure the fan by tightening the grub screw. Secure the retaining ring. Place the cylinder head back into position. Connect the 2 fan motor wires back and spark wire. Place the cap back over the cylinder head until flush. Secure with the 6 screws. That's how you replace the motor sleeve on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.